Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. We are up here and we are spending 5 days here up at the trailer in the campground in the Wisconsin Dells. You're probably wondering why my title is called Les Dalles. That comes from the French, and it's the origin of the layers of rock and why there's so much sandstone around here. Where the settlers started and the explorers are around. So over the course of these next 5 days, we're gonna go see some sightseeing and also just hang out here at the campground. So let's go. Also joining us on this little 5-day excursion here, we have both dogs, Richard and our newest addition, Reginald. So let's say hi. Say hi, Richard. Hi, everybody. Reginald, say hi. Hi, everybody. You guys are ready for adventuring this week? Big stretches. What do you think, Reginald? Yeah. Good morning. It was a great night. Slept good. I feel rested and ready to go today. We slept in, so it's about 11. We're gonna make ourselves some brunch. I'm gonna make some French toast outside here this morning with some eggs and bacon, so that'll be great. Say top of the morning to the dogs here. Good morning, Richard. Say good morning, Reginald. Good morning. Let's go. Day full of adventures. The French toast is on the griddle. There's Reginald. I'm excited. Got some tunes rolling this morning. It is beautiful out here. This is gonna be delish. Eggs and bacon with some French toast outside. All right, our bellies are full and the boys are excited to be out today. So we're out here at what is called Ferndale Gorge, and we're gonna hit the Pulpit Rock Trail on Mirror Lake State Park. So it's gonna be like a sandstone gorge area that we're gonna be able to walk through. So let's get to it. Boys are ready to go. There's Mirror Lake down there. Okay, we did the Pulpit Rock Trail. The Ferndale Gorge is an unmaintained trail, so we decided not to tackle that just because we have the dogs and it's a lot of climbing over stuff. So instead, we are going to see the Mirror Lake Gorge, which is this trail we're on now. It looks like we're coming up to a bridge, so just a little more, it's maintained trail, which is nice for us to have that instead of trying to do off the beaten path kind of thing. And you're supposed to take the bridge over, is that what you said? There's the gorge down in there. That's where we are gonna go. There's the bridge up there. Alright, you gotta go back. Good day, welcome to day 2 here. Our second full day we are here in the Dalles area. Well, we just got some breakfast at River's Edge Pub. It's dog friendly, so we were able to bring the dogs and sit outside and have a very yummy breakfast. Now we're gonna head out to Dalles of the Wisconsin River area. It's gonna be a park area. Dogs are allowed there, and we're gonna go ahead and walk on the Wisconsin River and sightsee and just enjoy the day. So we'll see you out there. All right, we are out here at Dalles of the Wisconsin River. It actually is a state park. I think it's kind of a hidden gem. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of traffic around here, which is nice. But we're gonna take a look at this, find ourselves some trails. Right beyond this area here is the Wisconsin River. I think I can hear the boats. So yeah, let's get exploring. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is an overlook area. They got a nice whole little area here. And then there's some trails that we're gonna take. You can get down by the river. That's gorgeous. Reginald, Fleet Farm run. All right, we are out here at Devil's Lake. Decided to come out here. It's always beautiful. Walking through, we're on the North Shore side. It's more like for hiking and stuff. We came across these effigy mounds. So show us down here that this looks like it's the Lynx, the Indian effigy mound, and it's 82 feet long. So starting back there, it goes all the way over there. They have a lot of little cool educational things. And then back over there, they have the nature center, which I haven't seen that before either, so that was cool. We're gonna keep walking and see what there is. Which bird are you? I did it, and I'm the turkey vulture. Hey, that's the most common one. Let's go, Richard. Can we get some ice cream? Oh, over here, bud. I think we're gonna get some ice cream at North Shore Ice Cream over here. What do you think? Ice cream with a view. I got Mackinac Island fudge. That is delish. He's a little unsure yet. How is it, Richard? That's our kid. Reginald! What are you guys finding? You find a dog? Ooh, look at all these minnows. Whoa! Oh, there they go. There they go. Get him, Richard. Get him.
Honey, it's that way.
There's a fish. Did you get it?
No, it's over there.
It's so low over here that I think the fish are struggling to find their way back. I just saw a bigger fish over here. Some bigger little baby bass out there. He's gonna try to find it. Beautiful out. There was a fish over here that was kind of dead. I was gonna see if I could find it and maybe put it elsewhere to the other side to see if it would survive. Is that it? Oh, I found it. Guys, stay there. Oh. Oh shoot, it got deep right there. I would have to take my shoes off. Richard, Reginald! The water's very warm out here. Oh, fishy! What are you finding? A view that never gets old. All right. Well, just hiked up a nice hill to get back to our car, but we had a grand old time here. You know, it never gets old coming to Devil's Lake. It's always beautiful every time you come here. But we're gonna go back to the campground, probably rest. I'm sure the boys are gonna need a bath and take a nap. And then we're gonna go get dinner later tonight. So we'll catch you guys later. All right, we are finishing our day up here. Day 2. We had dinner at the Ravenna Bay over on Lake Dalton, which was really good. And now we're just enjoying some family time around the fire. Reginald is probably looking at some birds, who knows. Yeah, just gonna enjoy our night, and we will see you all tomorrow. Welcome to day 3 here in the Dalles. It was storming this morning, so we haven't really done anything today. Just been chilling with the pups. It's almost 10:30. I think we're gonna get ourselves together and go get some breakfast. Alright, all showered up. Katie is gonna go get us some Macs and some stuff from Menards. And I think we're just gonna kind of have some family time here today and chill out before other family gets here so we can have fun with them. But we are watching some movies and just simply hanging out, right, Reginald? We got Dragon playing. He's hanging out on the couch, so I think that's what's gonna be our day. I will see you guys later. Good night. Good morning. We are here, day 4. Rested up yesterday, just took family time and hung out. And now today we are out in downtown Dalles, right here at the downtown river walk. It's going to take you all along the Wisconsin River, see some pretty cool views. You can see the ducks from here, so we're just going to walk it and show you guys the scenery, and also a cool place to come and walk if you're ever down here. Come on, honey. Looks like they have all these little history things here. Looks pretty new. Very nice. Come in, Richard. Let's go see the view. There we go. Look at that. And that's only one of the views. getting busy. It's around noon. Ghost boat. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. We had a fun walk there on the river walk in downtown Dalles. That's a very fun area to go. The views were outstanding. Highly recommend. If you're coming to the Dalles area to go and take a look at that river walk. Yeah, we had a good time. So now we're just gonna hang out rest of the day again and enjoy family time and company. And we'll be heading home tomorrow. So we'll catch you guys later. See you, bye, Reginald. Mount Olympus, the roller coaster. We're downtown Dalles here. All the water parks. And if you didn't know, it is the water park capital of the world, the famous horse. Wisconsin ducks. Highly recommend doing that too. That's really fun. Here's the cool Rome replica coming up here. A lot of people like this. There it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, get over here. Tonight we are going to do bingo here at the campground. Usually every Saturday they have bingo going on, so we're going to see if we can score ourselves a bingo. Dogs are down here having fun. So.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good, good.
Yeah. It's a good time, so. Here. After bingo is a campfire and s'mores, so before we head home tomorrow. Good morning. Welcome to our last day here. We've got the car loaded up already here, and we're stopping in Baraboo at Powerline Coffee to get ourselves some really good breakfast. If you're coming this way, I highly recommend going to Powerline Coffee. They have good breakfast, drinks, just a nice little downtown also in Baraboo. So if you're still here, please like and subscribe. It's free. Those will give you notifications to see all my new and upcoming videos and adventures. And there is more to come, so we will catch you guys in the next one. See you later.